Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will focus on repairing the BIOS on the HP 14n0063ss laptop. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic prying tool. These tools will help you safely open the laptop without causing damage. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect the power cord. Next, remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shock while working on the internals. Now, let's proceed to remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate and unscrew all the screws on the back panel. There are usually around 10 screws, so make sure to keep them organized. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic prying tool to lift the back cover. Work your way around the edges, applying gentle pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. After successfully removing the back cover, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Next, locate the CMOS battery, which is typically a coin cell battery on the motherboard. This battery helps retain BIOS settings. If you are experiencing boot issues, it might be necessary to reset the BIOS by removing this battery. Gently disconnect it and wait for about 5 minutes before reattaching it. This can help reset any corrupted BIOS settings. As you work inside, consider cleaning any dust from the fan and components with compressed air. Keeping the internals clean can improve performance and longevity. If you don't have the tools or the time for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for easy repair services. After cleaning, replace the CMOS battery securely and reattach the back cover. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to prevent any rattling. Remember, if you prefer to avoid this hassle, we provide a quote before repair so you know what to expect before proceeding. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect the power cord. Power on your laptop and check if it boots correctly. If the BIOS issue persists, consider contacting us for further assistance. No calls, no travel, just straightforward service from the comfort of your home. By following these steps, you should be able to repair the BIOS on your HP 14n0063ss laptop effectively. Always remember that professional help is available if you need it. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.